Peace. I'm at the job, right? But listen, man, I wanted to take some time out, man, and give an original salute to the brother minister Ali Falah, man, for staying on the job, man, keeping the teachings of the most honorable Elijah Muhammad out there, out front, man, staying on his post, man, you know, helping a lot of us brothers that was in the prison system, man, getting that literature out there to us. I definitely want to just, man, salute my brother, man, letting them know this is from the heart. Continue to do what you're doing. And I back you 100%, God. We're going to make some moves. We're going to keep doing what we're doing, showing and proving that the raw teachings of the most honorable Elijah Muhammad is the only thing that's going to save us. That's the only thing that's going to resurrect us from our mental death and enslavement. So with that being said, God, man, I love you. It was great building with you. And love the energy when we connect. Peace to the gods, peace to the earth, peace to the 5% nation, peace to the positive people on the planet Earth. With that, I say peace. Peace to the nation of Islam, man. We are one. Keep it that way, man. Don't let Yaqub laws of divide and conquer, man, you know, play its part in this day and time. We all know the signs of that, man. So let's unite for a common cause, man. And that common cause is freedom, justice, and equality. Peace.